structural equation modeling. SEM is a type of statistical multivariate data analysis technique that analyzes the structural relationships between variables. This is a versatile and extensive data analysis network. SEM evaluates the dependent and independent variable. In addition, latent variable matrix and model measurements verification are obtained. SEM is a hybrid of matrix analysis and structural modeling. For multivariate data analysis, this takes into account measurement errors and factors observed. The factors are evaluated using multivariate analytic technique. This is an important component of SEM model. The main terminologies that are used while formulating a model and analysis the relationship between variables are, I'm going to explain that. First is measured or observed variable. So this variable is the observation that are measured. That is a variable's numeric data, which is available and can be extracted from other source for statistical analysis. The measured variable in a model is represented by a rectangle. Next is latent variable. A latent variable in the model is the observation value of that variable for whose data is not available in numeric form. With the inclusion of this non-measured variable, the SEM model is developed. You can also pronounce as latent or latent. Latent variable in the model are represented by oval shapes. Then is the measurement errors. Measurement error is regarded as the error or biases present while measuring the value of a variable. That is, in collecting the data from any variable. Thus, the differences in correlation value and the actual value is 1.00 in the measurement error. There is always a possibility of error in measured or observed variable. So this is called measurement error. On the other hand, the latent variable does not have a measurement error because it does not have any numeric value. So the value just is derived by the model with computation and not measured by the researcher. Understanding the estimate. So the estimates are the value that maintain the scaling information of variables and can be interpreted with references to the scale. Thus, while developing the linkage between the variable and assessing the impact, an standardized estimate value is used. Now is standardized estimate. Standardized estimate are values whose mean is 0 and variance is 1. Transformation of unstandardized estimate is done for removing the scaling information from the model, which is essential to remove scaling because in some cases, the data set for independent variable is computed at different scales. Thus, standardized estimate could be used for measuring effect size, but majorly it is used for informal comparison of parameters. However, the models with the independent variables computed at one scale. Standardized is not essential.